Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Whipple Autos. Today we have a gorgeous one-owner GT350. This car has 507 miles on it. Literally like brand new. We have all the documentation that came with this car from brand new.
Yeah, you count the numbers on them. See, you see all of these? Yeah, this started out as a straight line, and every 4 quarters it turns a circle. So
Also an anniversary car, which is pretty cool.
Yeah, you can see the difference how many that.
Right, that one needs some.
That's got more on it than any of them. Okay.
Shelby. It's number 152. It's 45th anniversary. This car is like brand new. Even has the key tag, the barcode, original barcode on the key. Polished blower. Tag from the factory. The adjustments. Very cool. Get the billet caps. Every piece of documentation too that came from the factory for this car. And 2 sets of floor mats. Love how the exhaust comes out the middle on this car. Very cool. This is probably the first Shelby produced, 2006. Cool piece of history on this car. Here, I'll give you a quick peek at that one. This car's loaded too. Well, thanks for joining us. Any questions at all, give me a shout. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out our main website. It's whippleautos.com. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.